Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Thailand variant of Rich Mixon. In Class 3, Rich makes his Piston Cup debut in the 2017 season, becoming the tank coupe racer after replacing Rich Mixon. He competes against the likes of next-gen frontrunner Jackson Storm and a long-time champion Lightning McQueen, through the latter struggles against Rich and the other next-gen races. In the Florida 500, he starts in 32nd place. Later, he is involved in a wreck caused by Kara's spinner after St. George Newman. He's the first racer to be imagined as a tractor by Cruz Ramirez during the race. He finished in 26th. Now let's see here. That's trivia. Rich's name is a reference to the 37th President of the US, Richard Nixon. In Under the Hood, the Next Gen racers, Rich is mistakenly called Eugene Carbareski, the original tank coupe racer from the first film. In Cars to be driven to win, his eyes are green, but in the movie his eyes are blue. Also driven to win. His animation in the character selection is the same as Nigel Gearsley's. He's the only racer in the movie to have a known voice and have a number inherited from his first movie counterparts. And he's incorrectly labelled as Tim Tregless on his endurance races release. Here we go. Have a closer look at him, shall we? So it's I think he's very pink, which is why Tank Coke's one of the most iconic Piston Cup sponsors ever. One of the things, it's up there with like Elite Glass. Well, probably not as much Elite Glass, but still classic. I love Elite Glass. Octane Gain and Nitro Aid. This has been like Vitaline in a way, because the main colour of this is pink. Well, then it's a colour you wouldn't normally see on any other Piston Cup racer, because your Vitaline's green, it's obviously pink. But still carrying on. As you can see, this very nice. Well, it's a lighter pink, fading into a so it's more metallic-y, darker pink colour. Very nice. Pretty sure that's on the Chinese variant, is it? It's not, no, it's not, is it? Here we go, here's his top, and then there's the TC tank code. Oh, I see there's a little arrow pointing down here, going here into the tank. Oh, I see, it's like, what's the word? Like, they're not heartburn. That'd be like some sort of tank. That'd be like a stomach. Hold on a minute. The engine block, well, the engine as a whole would be a heart. The air filter would be the lungs. I guess it would be the. Hold on. I guess the tank would be the the stomach. So I guess it like what's the stomach? What's the stomach medicine? But still, that's what it is. And and a pink rims, which isn't the same. Which isn't the same shade as the main body, which is weird. And the TC36, which might not be able to see that well. I mean, you probably can. But still. A nice tank coat on the spoiler. Here we go, we've got the yellow rookie stripes, TC, dark pink, right, no, purple, more purpley, aren't they? Purple stripes. Two of them. That was very messy, wasn't it? Still, see you in the next video, bye!